Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a reading list on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you go to the lower bar and click to the last button, the account, and here click to the profile icon. And if you have any reading list, you can check that, and if you can create a new one, click to the create list button, add the name to your reading list, click to the create a list button, click that, and you can add different books and files to your list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.